Uh, Hi, my name is Aditya and basically I'm from Patna. I want to share my experience with the Evision Technoserve that ultimately helped me to getting a job. So right now I'm placed in SCA Health India with a package of around 2.6 LPA. So after completing my graduation from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering from Electronics and Communication branch, I joined the Evision Technoserve. So one thing I want to say about this company that is too much helpful for the students in the way of practicality, as I can say that I had done the things in my college that are more oriented towards the theoretical part. What I mean to say that the things or the study or the learning which I have done in my college are mostly oriented towards the theoretical part, but here I learned about the practicality, how the things are being done, basically the practical exposure. The staff members are also too much cooperative, like if there's any type of problem, any type of query, they're gonna solve it and they're gonna help to get out of that problem. And also I can say that the teachers, the tutors are also too much experienced and they will gonna help you in every point where you got stuck, as in the field of IT or as in the field of any type of query that is related to the study which you are doing right now. So I can say that any type of fresher or any type of student or a job seeker experience also can consider the uh, company, that is Evision Technoserve, because they will ultimately make you that much able, or they will gonna push you to get a job in a reputed company. And one thing I also wanna say that being skilled is good, but being a skill learner and quick learner is more good. That is better, because in the field of IT we have to be a skill learner and we have to learn new things that will provided by the Evision Technoserve also. They will gonna add new skills to your skill set that will ultimately help you for getting a good job. So at last I can say that if there's any job seeker or any type of fresher experienced candidate who wanted to get a job, so they can believe in this company, and yeah, that will be beneficial for them. So thank you so much.